there guys, today we'll be taking a look at something very different. Okay, so what we've got today is, this is the Und Panzer B-Train Shorty Special Edition. This basically, as it shows on the package, this was a real train wrapped in Japan, the 6000 series DMU. So each car, each side of the box, you have a corresponding car that matches that. Now the cool thing is, if you've seen Und Panzer the movie, this actually recreates the train that's in the film. So the scene where they've got all the tanks on flat cars and these two pulling, yeah, this is what this is based off of. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing and I'm going to show you all the assembly process and let's get this thing going. Alright, so here's all the parts together out of the box. I know it looks like a bit of a cluster, but Bandai does these things really well. They are snap together kits and generally fairly easy to do. So this is of course the sides of the car for one of the models, the front end package, the other side of the car, all trucks and roof detail, and of course a tank. And the cool thing is, on the decal sheet with the instructions, you of course have the URAI symbols down here, all the head codes of the characters, and any other stickers that you'd want to put on the models. So here's an overview of the instruction manual. Pretty straightforward, just snap together assembly. Of course he had for all the powertrain and truck assemblies beneath it. And again, that's just how that's how this is going together. There's your decal placement on the tank and the car, and the rest of the schematics, including the tank, the Miho figure, and trucks. But enough blabbing, let's actually get to building this thing. There you have it, guys. The Und Panzer B-Train Shorty Special Edition set. Now, the only nitpicks I have about the assembly process is that they did not give you an adapter for the little tank flat car. That instead is blank. They encourage you to buy one of the little Talgo trucks with the adapter, but I'm sure you could easily shoehorn your own truck in there if you so wanted. But overall, this build didn't take me that long, maybe 20 minutes tops, including cutting out the parts and getting what I want on there, so all's well that ends well. But overall, you can get this thing, I got mine on sale from Plaza Japan on eBay. You can find them anywhere, 1999.co.jp. They're really popular. Again, eBay is always good. But, no. If you enjoy just random nerd stuff, enjoy anime, or just Girls in Panzer, here's your cool little item. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.